Hello Year 2, this is Activity A and we're going to be looking at how to work out missing numbers and we're also going to be practicing calling our times and divide facts. Oh no Year 2, there is a number thief. Can you help Detective Martin to find the missing number? Something divided by 5 equals 6. So something divided by 5 equals 6. If it is the start of the calculation, the dividend, that is missing, you can easily do the inverse to solve the answer. Use your times tables. So we would go 6 times 5 equals 30. So the missing number is 30. So as you can see, the thief has been up to his naughty tricks again. What number do you think he's taken this time? Pause it and then I'll explain how to calculate it on the next slide. So when the missing number is in the middle, so our problem was 27 divided by something equals 3. So we are trying to work out the number that you divide by, which is called the divisor. So you can use the inverse again, and we know the inverse to divide is times. So we would go 3 times something equals 27. To work out that answer, you would count in your 3's until you reach 27. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Some of you may know your tables well enough that you can just instantly record the answer. And that's brilliant, well done. The other way of doing it is to do a division. So 27 divided by, you divide by the 3. And 27 divided by 3, that means we have to work out how many 3's are in 27. So again, you're using your tables, and we've already seen that the answer is 9. So 27 divided by 9 equals 3. So Year 2s, have a go at these, see how quickly you can do them, pause the slide, and then the answers are on the next slide. So for the first one, I used my 10 times tables, and I knew that 10 times 4 was 40, so the missing number is 4. The second one, I used my 5 times tables and kept counting until I got to 15. And 5, 10, 15, so I knew the missing number was 3, because 3 lots of 5 make 15. The next one, because it was the first number that was missing, I knew to do a times, so I went 3 times 4 is 12. The next one down, I used my 2's and counted up until I got to 18, and I knew that 9 times 2 was 18. With the next one, it was the first digit again that was missing, so I used my 2 times tables and stopped when I got to 22. Now I know it's in the 11 times tables because the 11s are fairly easy. It always repeats the digit that it's timesing by. So the missing number was 11. And the next one, something divided by 6 equals 10. So again, I can use my times tables to work those out. 10 times 6 equals 60. So Year 2, you can either now do sheet number 1, or you can continue to do some more complex missing numbers. So here you'll see it's something times by 5 equals 30 divided by 3. So there's 2 separate calculations with these missing number problems. First of all, remember that equal sign also means balance. So what is on one side of the equal sign has to balance and be exactly the same as what's on the other side. So in order to work these out, you need to do the complete calculation first. And looking at this one, the complete calculation is 30 divided by 3. So I know the answer to that is 10. So now we can complete the other calculation, as we know that the answer to that problem, or that side, has to be 10, the same as the other one. So I'm thinking to myself, what times 5 equals 10? And I know 2 times 5 equals 10. So the missing number with this complex problem is 2 times 5 equals 30 divided by 3, because both sides have the answer 10. So here's one for you to try. Pause the video and then the answer is on the following slide. Okay, so hopefully you started by doing the full calculation on the right hand side, which was half of 18. So half of 18, we all should be able to recall that straight away, is 9. Now we know the answer to the other calculation on the other side of the equal sign must come to 9. So 27 divided by something is going to give us the answer 9. So now I need to use my 9 times tables. Now don't be scared by 9 times tables. Remember, to do your times tables, you just need to do repeated addition. So I'm going to go 9 add 9 is 18. Then I'm going to add another 9 and I get to 27. So the answer is 27 divided by 3 equals 9. So the missing number is 3. 27 divided by 3 equals half of 18. So now you need to decide whether you want to do sheet 1, which is basic missing numbers, or sheet 2 has the more complex missing numbers. Good luck, year 2.